Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word brainwashing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The cult leader used brainwashing techniques to manipulate his followers into believing his every word. Brainwashing is a form of manipulation and control where an individual or group is systematically indoctrinated to adopt certain beliefs or behaviors. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.